Hello, everybody. Just wanted to do a quick introduction. My name is Bobby Beksinski. I'm going to be volunteering to teach a free movie course over at the library. It was slated to begin on April 7th, but due to the current pandemic, it's most likely not going to happen. So I just wanted to do this quick introduction here and to mention that in the event, which is very likely that the library will still be closed by then, we will try to do something online, interactive online, that we can do in replace. But just wanted to give everyone a quick rundown of what I'm going to try to do with this course. I have it separated into like 4 lessons, and we are going to be, it's going to be a mixture of, we're going to watch some movies together, and then also we're going to do some discussions about the movies and have other clips of other movies involved too that pertain to the specific lessons. But I hope everybody will show some interest and want to come and join and attend. As far as the lessons go, they're going to be, like I said, a mixture of, we're going to watch movies and discuss them, but educational as well. The first lesson is going to be a kind of a mixture of new versus old in material. Like, look at like modern day remakes of classic films and then compare the two, or remakes of other types of like foreign movies or something like that. In the second lesson, we're going to focus on animation because there's a lot of different types of animation out there that we can look at, like different forms, different ways that filmmakers animate. Then in the third lesson, we will go back to the very beginning, and we're going to look at like silent films and just the foundation of filmmaking there. And then in the very last lesson, we will look into international cinema, foreign films, because I know got to ease into it with getting over the fear of the 1 inch barrier of subtitles there. But I promise you, there's a lot of good international films out there that you guys might be missing out on. So hope to see you there, and hopefully we can make something work as far as being online if the library's still closed at that time. But just wanted to make this quick video to just, prepare everybody, I guess, if that's what it comes down to, and hope everyone stays safe, stay indoors. All right.